Hello, this video is a short introduction to FTZ Panel3D, a module inside SchemELECT software. SchemELECT is made to create electrical drawing. As example, I will open an electrical drawing here. It is made of several pages. One of these pages is the spider page that allows to create location inside the project. Each location allows to go to the schematic pages. Inside each pages we have some components defined on some symbols, and all the components can be linked to a 3D component that we will find in the Panel3D module. For example, in this coil we have several components, one main part number and some accessories. SchemELECT allows to manage all the schematic diagrams. It's also possible to manage the PLC configuration. We have also some functions that allow to generate automatic terminal block, cable, in lists or in symbols, and we can also define the 3D insertion through FTZ Panel3D module. Here is the display of all the already inserted project. On the left side I have all the components defined in my project, and on the right side I have the list of the inserted components. Here, for example, I can mask all the components I don't want to display in the window. I can also fit to the screen to display the view. I can manage also by space how to display some plan or not. I can also move my mouse to change the view I want to display. Here, for example, I want to insert KT2. When you insert a component, you have some constraints that allow automatically to insert it the best way on the rail. It's also possible to select several components together to insert them in one time. It's also possible to insert through the constraints, and also you can define some offset if you want to insert them from a certain distance to a point. Each component is linked to the database. These components are recovered from manufacturer database or directly from your 3D specialized software. Each component can be also linked with some additive that allow to insert them easily, or to, for example, display the component name. Once I have done my insertion, it is possible to recover also the list of all the wires defined in the electrical project. Here is the list of all the wires defined per wire number. It's possible to automatically wire the wire of all the project, and it's possible to display them in the 3D window. As you can see here, the software shows you the size and the bending radius of all elements depending on the database. After I have also possibility to export in 2D drawings this insertion made in 3D module. Here is the result on one schematic page of the result, and also on the list we have the last column called length that allows to recover the length measured in the 3D module. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.